First Business School has an industry-based finance course curriculum that reflects industry trends, knowledge, and skills.
I love the faculty at Fox School. They come with decades of industry and Wall Street experience, which was really helpful in shaping our careers.
The professors were bringing in like a wealth of background, practical experience in the field. Whatever we were learning was not just theoretical, it came with a lot of practical examples. There are times at work right now where I look back and I literally remember something I did in class that's linked to that. So I like the practicality of the classes.
2 years back, I had no idea how to code in Python and R, but now I use Python on a daily basis at my job.
It gets you into the frame of mind of thinking outside the box, bringing solutions to a table, and not just being comfortable with where you're at.
I like the fact that the programs also allows me to prepare for the FRM certificate.
I think the FRM curriculum really set us up for success. By the time we took the exam, we were 100% prepared.
All those additional skills that we learned through projects during the program, that's one of the key takeaways from my graduate degree. One thing I liked about my classmates is that the diversity. There were a lot of people from different countries, all with different backgrounds. Everyone had a story to tell about why they are here.
As an international student, I think Philadelphia welcomed me with open arms. Philadelphia embraces people from different cultures. The food is amazing, and I think it's very close to New York City, which is very important for us finance professionals. I think Fox gave us a lot of opportunities to network with industry leaders. I was able to interact with many people from the industry, the state-of-the-art facilities, and the Bloomberg lab, which was amazing.
A lot of stuff revolves around data. Understanding how to rope that data, bring information together that can actually tell a story and bring about change has been one of the things I've appreciated about data science during my time here at Temple.
And it has given me the skills, the attitude, the resiliency which are required to succeed.